Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Kaggle and sign up, then authenticate the Kaggle API so you can pull data immediately. Next, pick a competition and read overview, why it exists and how submissions are scored. Once done, download the data set with the API and mount it into your Jupyter environment. Make sure to install required libraries like Pandas and Scikit-learn. They let you inspect files fast. Start a lightweight notebook so you can run an initial data read and see column names right away. You now explore the data thoroughly. Check shapes, missing values, distributions, and potential leakage, because discovering issues early saves hours. Then build a baseline pipeline, simple preprocessing +1 model, and evaluate it with cross-validation to establish a performance floor. Once baseline exists, iterate. Engineer features, validate each change with the same CV routine, and log scores. Also ensemble or tune hyperparameters later. But first focus on stable improvements you can reproduce and explain to teammates. When you're ready, prepare the submission file exactly as the competition requires. Column names and rows must match the sample. Submit through the website or with the Kaggle API, then monitor the leaderboard and save your kernel and model artifacts. If your score drops or submission fails, first revalidate the file format and random seed. Next, ensure preprocessing match training and test sets. Finally, check for data leakage or hidden nulls. Fixing those often recovers performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.